Hello and welcome to today's English lesson part 2. Today we'll just go through the homework and then pick up where we left off in the language book. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to the workbook. The homework was on page unit 12, page 83. Complete the sentences on, in, under, and behind. Okay, the dog is the table. The doll is the bed. The ball is the chair. The toys are the box. So let's take a look at the dog. The dog is here and the table is here. So the dog is under the table. The doll is on the bed. The ball is behind the chair. The toys are in the box. Okay, so these are the answers to this question right here. Where is the doll? Let's take a look. This is the doll. It's on. So you can just say it's on or the doll is on. But here I'm just going to write it's on the table. Full stop, of course. Where is the ball? Of course, it's. That's how we start the sentence. Under the table. Full stop. Where is the dog? It's on the chair. Of course, you get on a chair and not in a chair. That's why we wrote on or on in this case. Okay, so that was the answer for the homework. Now we can pick up where we left off in Unit 12 in the language book. Okay, let's take a look at page 108. Okay, there is a ball. Well, there are lots of toys in the toy shop. There's a ball. There's a train. Where's the train? Here. There are dolls. There are computer games. Okay. There is the same as there is. So this is there is, short. There is. There's. There is. There's. There's a computer game. There's a ball. Okay, so instead of saying there is, which is okay, it's right, but it's long, we say there's. There's a computer, there's a toy, there's a train, and so on and so forth. What can you see in the toy shop? There's a ball, there are dolls. Now, I want you to pause the video and say there is and there are for everything that you can see here. And then play the video again, and I'm going to start from left to right, and I'm going to name everything in the picture. So go ahead and pause the video now. Okay, if you pause the video and answer the questions on your own, let's take a look together. There are planes. There's an elephant. There are cars. There is a ball. There is an umbrella. There are dolls. There are computer games. There are balloons. There's a train. There's a drum. Okay, great. So that's everything in the picture over there. And now we can move on to number 2. Read and circle. There is or are a ball under the chair. Now it's only one ball. When it's one, we say is. So when there's only one thing, we say there is. When there are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7, we say there are. So in this case, there's an umbrella. 1. There are dolls. Because there are 2. We said there are dolls. Okay? So the same thing applies here. and I want you to pause the video and answer the rest of them on your own, and then play the video again and answer them with me. So go ahead and pause the video now. Okay, if you pause the video and answer the questions, let's take a look together. Here we have an elephant. There is or are an elephant on the bed. Only one. So we'd say there is an elephant on the bed. Okay, there is or are cars next to the doll. Here we say there are, because one, two, three, four cars. So there are cars next to the doll. Here, there is or are toys in the box. So here we say are, because we have a lot of toys. 1, 2, 3, 4 toys. There is or are a drum behind the bear. It's only one drum, so we say there is. There's a drum behind the bear. Okay, so to read them very quickly. There is a ball under the chair. There is an elephant on the bed. There are cars next to the doll. There are toys in the box. There is a drum behind the bear. Okay, great, that's very good. Now we can move on to the next page, which is page 110. Listen and read. Okay, so I'm going to read and you have to listen. Okay, the clown has got a blue flag, a red flower, and one black shoe. The clown has got a yellow plate and a yellow glass, but the plane is blue. Okay, now I want you to listen and repeat word for word. Okay, the clown has got a blue flag, a red flower, and one black shoe. Very good. The clown has got a yellow plate and a yellow glass, but the plane is blue. Great, that's very good. If this was too fast for you or the pauses weren't that long, you can always pause the video or repeat it again in order to have enough time to answer the questions on your own. Okay? Say the sounds, make the words. Here we have, what's the thing that we add to this so we can make this word? Glass. Glass. Here, clown. Here, flower. Here, plane. Okay, glass, clown, flower, plane. Okay, so these are the words we're learning today. Now we're going to learn some colors. The flag. No, that's not the flag. We have a flag, plane, and plates. Now we have to color these things to actually be able to say what color they are. We need blue. Let's take a look. You have the colors with you. Let me take out blue. Okay, this is white, although we can't. Oh, it's already white, so we don't really need it. I think this is blue, and we need black. Already have black. Okay, so is blue. I'm gonna make the plain blue. You can color any of them the way you like, but I'm just gonna color them. I like coloring them this way. Okay, the flag is already white, so we don't really need to color it. I'm just gonna do this. This is an example. And the plate is black. You can color the plane black and the flag blue. That's really up to you. But I'm doing it this way because I just like it this way. Okay, so here is blue. The plane is blue. The plate is black. The flag is white. So the flag is white, The plane is blue. The plate is black. Okay? Take the words that you can read. So here I'm going to give you a minute, and I want you to pause the video and read these words over here, and tick the ones you can read and leave the ones you can't read without ticking them. Okay? Good. So if you pause the video and play it again, let's take a look together. Black, blue, clown, flag, flower, glass, plane, plate. Okay, so these are the words that we've learned today. Great, now we can move on to the next page. Draw and color these things in the big picture. So we're gonna color and draw these things: an owl, a girl, a boy, birds, bees, and kites in this picture, and we have to color them as well. Okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna write the sentences and you have to draw them. Okay? After you draw them, you have to take a picture with a phone and post it in the comments below. You can post it on Facebook and post the link afterwards. That would work as well. Or Instagram or anything, so I can see them and tell you what I think, which will always be good, because you can. I'm pretty sure you can do a pretty good job at that. Okay? This is a lovely park. There's a green frog on the slide. There are white ducks in the pond. There is an owl. On the tree. So you can draw the owl here, anywhere on the tree, even here. That would be good as well. Okay? A girl. There is a girl on the swing. This is a swing, and there's a girl on the swing. There's a boy on the bike. Over here. There are birds next to the pond. Okay, so there are birds next to the pond. There are bees on the flowers, because bees love flowers. The last one is kites. There are kites in the sky. Okay, so there are kites in the sky, so you can draw them anywhere here in the sky. Okay, so very quickly, the words we just wrote, or the sentences we just wrote. There's an owl on the tree. There's a girl on the swing. There's a boy on the bike. There are birds next to the pond. There are bees on the flowers. There are kites in the sky. Okay? Again, make sure you draw them and take a picture so I can see it, and then I will let you know what I think of it. Okay? Now, taking a look here, I'm just gonna read the sentences that we have, and then we're going to answer these questions in the next episode. Okay? What is happening this week? Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Football, swimming, cycling, basketball. It is Saturday. It's 3 o'clock. There's a football match. Sam and Ben are in the red team. Who is winning? It is Wednesday. It is 1 o'clock. Nina and Tilly are playing tennis. Where is the ball? It is Monday. It is 4 o'clock. Ben is riding his bike. Is he going fast? It is Friday. It is 6 o'clock. There are lots of children at a party. It is Lucy's birthday. How old is she? It is Sunday. It is 9:30. Miss Plum is swimming. Is she a good swimmer? Of course. It is Thursday. It is 7:30. Look at Moby. He is jumping. Is he having fun? I don't think so. He looks sad. Okay, very good. We will answer these questions on the side in the next episode. And now we can move on to the practice book and take a look at some of the things that we've just done. Okay, so we just finished this one for homework. Now we're going to do one more thing that is also important. Here, read and draw. There's a cat on the chair. There are flowers on the table. There's a box under the table. There are toys in the box. There's a picture on the wall. There are two girls in the picture. Okay? I'm just going to draw a couple of them, and you can do the rest as homework. There's a cat on the chair. That's a cat on the chair. Although it doesn't look like a cat, but it's gonna give it longer arms and legs. There are flowers on the table. It's better if you color them. That would look like much nicer. Okay. There's a box under the table. There are toys in the box. So we're gonna draw a ball. Maybe a teddy bear. That looks like a teddy bear. There's a picture on the wall. There are two girls in the picture, so I'm just going to draw them here. They're very tall too. Okay, so that's it in the picture. I know I told you I'll draw only one, but these are all of them in the picture, all right? Look and write. So this will be your homework. Look at the toy shop, the cafe, and the bike shop. What can you see? There are dolls in the toy shop. There is a bike. And the toy shop. Okay? Now you have to write the rest. Remember, for 2, 3, or 4, right, there are. For one thing, we say there is. Okay? Oh, actually, no. You have to write there is a bear. Okay, bear. So it's not a bike. You have to do it by number 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a bear. Pretty sorry about that. I'm really sorry about that. There is a bear in the toy shop. You have to go by number 1, then number 2. I'm gonna answer. Okay, the bike is number 6, so it's at the end. Okay. So here you have to go by number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And say there is for one thing, and there are for things there are many of, like 2, 3, or 4. Okay? Thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something new today, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.